xFoundry breaks down barriers between disciplines, bringing students from across campus together with diverse perspectives and bold ideas. At UMD, the fearlessly forward mindset drives everything we do. And that's exactly why our experience competitions thrive here.
In November of 2023, xFoundry challenged the University of Maryland's most fearless students to solve the most difficult problems of our time.
So today is a watershed moment.
You're doing fearless innovation. You're going to change the human condition, and for that, I salute you.
Their mission was to develop a solution that could autonomously detect and notify of an active shooter situation on a K-12 campus, and it has to be accessible to every school across the country.
There have been 1,154 school shootings since 2013, leading to nearly 400 deaths. 400 deaths in our schools.
It's hard to teach, it's hard to learn, and it's hard to lead when you're scared.
This qualifies, undoubtedly, as a grand challenge of our time. And I'm proud to see that the inaugural competition is tackling this problem head on.
Students looking for a competitive edge enrolled in our experiment courses, taught by faculty from business, engineering, information sciences, communication, and the Academy for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. So this tailored curriculum, designed to accelerate their journey from concept to impact, sets the students up with a solid foundation for the rest of the competition.
The combined forces of the interdisciplinarity of the teaching team and of the students is like bringing a really unique combination of different skills and ways of thinking all into a room together.
Because we're actually teaching people not just the skills in solving grand challenges and like coming up with different solutions, but it's also the skill set to like develop the problem-solving process.
89 students from all 12 schools and colleges at UMD committed to this 3-semester mission. They formed 14 teams, represented more than 25 degree programs, and all united by one single purpose. For a year, they pitched, they built, they iterated. They submitted business plans, met with real-world stakeholders, and attended expert panels. They practiced sales pitches in front of judges who provided crucial, hard feedback.
I think at a high level, what was inspiring is just seeing it come together and connecting what they learned in these initial weeks and months over a year ago.
It's landed on our hands, the next generation's hands, to figure something out about it. And I think that this program gives us the perfect avenue to solve something like that.
Teams integrated their solution prototypes into the Fernandez IDEA Factory, testing their detection and notification systems and iterating their solution based on the data and feedback collected. And the work didn't stop when the academic year ended. Over the summer, qualified teams faced their first and only elimination round, finals verification. They presented their working solutions and business models to a panel of judges with only 2 slots available to proceed to the final pitch. Last week, Team DefNX and Team Weapon Watch went head-to-head, pitching one last time. Both teams created solutions that significantly enhanced the school safety landscape and forged themselves into the next level solutionists, ready to take on the grand challenges of our time.
Having a program like xFoundry that interacts and touches on all the colleges in the university is very important.
I think it is critical that you interact with broad disciplines in order to solve problems. It's really exciting that they could work on these teams with students from across campus, with faculty from across campus.
I've worked in trauma centers where gun violence is a prominent issue, and just seeing like the horrors of that made me want to just help out in school shootings.
But the whole point and the whole motivation of this project is to save lives of students that all around the world that want to go to school.
I mean, yeah, this is what it's all about, definitely, making a difference, making an impact.
We know that we can confidently say we put in our best effort to try and make a change in the world.
I felt when I entered the class, when I spoke with these guys, I felt we all shared the same common link, empathy.
So it forced us to look at that problem from a different light while also making our product more equitable for lower income districts.
We're building something big here. We're going to make things better for everybody.
Any intervention that makes education safer has exponential impact because schools aren't just buildings where education takes place. They are the heartbeats of their communities. They serve students and their families, teachers, leaders, volunteers. We are all connected to K-12 education, and each one of us has an education story. So anything that makes schools safer impacts all of us. Transforming schools means transforming society.